Okay, so in number 28, we are given the function f of x plus h minus f of x equals h. And the function itself is x squared minus 3x plus 5, and we're asked to solve. So when you have these situations, my advice to you is first solve for f of x plus h. Remember, all that means is in replacing x with x plus h, so this is x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h plus 5, and then we simplify. So that means we're going to factor this out, and we get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. I'm going to distribute the negative 3, so this is negative 3x minus 3h plus 5. And for x plus h squared, you can FOIL that. Let me write it out here. If you prefer, they're the same thing. They give you the same result. So that's x squared, that's xh, that's another xh, and that's h squared. And because the middles repeat twice, you end up getting the 2xh. So hopefully that makes sense. So f of x plus h is all of this. Okay? So I'm going to take that and I'm going to substitute that in here. F of x is x squared minus 3x plus 5, so I'm going to replace that here. So let's see what we get. So the first part is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 5. And the second part is minus f of x, which is x squared minus 3x plus 5. And all of this is over h. So we're going to distribute the negative sign into each of these. So this gives me the first part still the same. So x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 5. When we distribute it out in the back, we get negative x squared plus 3x minus 5. And all of this is over h. So from here, we're going to go through and we're going to see if we can cancel out. What should always happen is anything that doesn't have an h is going to cancel out. So we can see that x squared minus x squared cancels out. Negative 3x plus 3x cancels out. 5 and negative 5 cancel out. And that leaves me with 2xh plus h squared minus 3h over h. And as we keep cleaning this up, we notice that each of these have an h, so I can factor an h out. That leaves me with 2x plus h minus 3 all over h. And then the h's will cancel out again. This leaves me with 2x plus h minus 3. And that is my answer. Hopefully that makes sense. See you in the next video.